What's going on, everyone? Welcome to day 44 on the path of $30,000 a month or $1,000 a day. We're gonna just get right to it. So I'm getting out some mug boats today. I didn't get any out yesterday, so that's gonna be most of my day. And at the very end of the day, we're gonna do orders. And then, because I have some personal stuff to have to do, so I have to get these out first. Then I'll do orders later. So it'll probably be a long video, I'm assuming. But if it's not, don't kill me, please. Mug boats and then orders, and that's it. And then we will be going over yesterday's revenue, how much money we made yesterday. And really quick, if you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I have a few businesses that I've been running for over the past 3 years. And now I want to show you how I did it and the ups and downs in business. So if you are interested, hit the subscribe button. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. Let's get started. All right, guys, so as you know, I am creating the mug boats right now, or really just adding the stickers to the mug boats and then packaging them all up and then bringing them into Amazon. This is pretty enjoyable for me. It's quick, and I really need to step up my game because they keep selling out in the Amazon warehouse. And I really need to start bringing in over 100 a day. So actually, the total amount of mug boats that I got out today was 116. And I did that in about an hour and a half. So the time lapse that you're seeing is about an hour and a half, but I've sped it up 3 times the speed on top of the time lapse. So if it ever looks super short, it's not. It takes a long time. But here I am packaging all up, labeling them, and getting them ready to get shipped out to Amazon. So the the package is done, getting ready to ship out to Amazon. If you ship FBA items, please highlight on your FBA shipment label, please leave the label uncovered, because one time, and bless her soul, she didn't know, there was 2 labels and she's like, well, one needs to be covered, and I already scanned the actual label, but the other one behind it was a different label, so she covered it. Well, obviously that doesn't work, and I had to go home and redo the whole shipment. So just highlight your FBA shipment label just right here, just so they know. And I ask all the time, but I feel bad for asking, like, hey, can you just not cover it? Just highlight it and be done with it. Anyways, gotta go do some personal stuff and drop off this package, and I'll be back to get customer orders out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so now that I was done with the shipment, I had to get the customer orders out on eBay and on Amazon. So that is what I'm currently doing right now. I'm getting the shipping labels printed out here, as you're gonna see. And then, yeah, basically just labeling the envelopes, laminating and cutting out the stickers, packaging up some vinyl decals, and then I just go straight to, cutting the stickers out. I had completely forgot I had mug boat orders I had to get out for customers as well, because I do also ship from the house as well on Amazon. So I had to get these all out before I was done with the work day. Okay, orders are done in the box. I got some out. My boy Mick got the rest of the mail out for me. You're gonna be hearing him a lot because he's the one that picks up my mail every day. One of my best friends, really cool guy. But yeah, so only got a little bit left here. I'm exhausted. I don't know. I didn't film it, but it was white vinyl de-weeding, and I just know you can't see it, so it's kind of just a waste of your time, and I didn't want to waste it. I did that, and then a keychain, and it's hot in here, and I need to go on a bike ride or something. So the video is done, but now let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made. All right, so eBay yesterday, we made $24.85, not bad. And then yesterday on Amazon, we made $583.74. And our total revenue yesterday was $609. We need to be at $1,000 a day because we are at $9,290 on the 14th. We should have 14,000. I'm not complaining, really, guys. I'm kind of joking here. I mean, here's the thing. you want to set a goal high, okay? Now, if I'm averaging $20,000 a month, I know I can hit 30,000. I know it sounds far off, right? $10,000, but I'm already at 20,000. Always shoot high, okay? If you're already working hard, shoot high already. It doesn't hurt. You know what? It may feel embarrassing if you don't hit the 30K mark, but who cares? Who are you listening to? Do it. Okay? Like, just always aim high. It does not hurt. You'll get a lot farther if you aim high. If you hit your mark, you're like, oh, I hit my mark. You know? So, listen, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. My algorithm's been up and down. It just would really help, so I'd appreciate that. And if you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So thank you everyone for watching. Happy Tuesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 45. Have a good day.